Okay, this just came in the mail. I think I know what it is, but let's find out for sure. I can get this thing open. I have my pocket knife just in case we need it. Here we go. So, that's what I thought. It's the new book, Thoughts on Things Financial by yours truly. And I finally get to touch it for the first time. Fantastic. I will definitely need my reading glasses. Print's, medium, small, but this book's designed to be able to get through pretty easy. Real excited about this day, being able to actually hold this, and we've got a couple others here as well, which is good because I'll tell you, this first one I touch, I've got to do this. My writing coach, Tim Testa, that guy was amazing. So this first book, definitely dedicated to Tim. I put this thing down, what I thought was going to be permanently at some point last summer. Went with my wife, we had a challenge with cancer. I really didn't think we were going to get this done. And Tim, he fireman carried me through the end. Sorry. This is really cool to be able to do this. Tim, thanks for getting me there. Right. First one to Tim. This thing is on pre-sale now, so you can go on and order it pretty much anywhere, I think. Amazon, Target, wherever you buy your books. Would appreciate it if you're watching this, if you would go pre-sale. That really helps out a lot in getting things ramped up for the date that the book actually comes out, which is September 10th. But you can pre-order it now, and then they'll get it going for you. Just super excited about this. Glad to share it, and go buy the book. Thanks. Take care.